Got a lot of these. Nicely packaged. Got the zip. What's going on here? See? Kind of like a goalie mask. And then you got the holes right here. Let's see if I can do it. Gotta do it right. I got a big head, so I gotta adjust this to where my head fits. See this pole? Adjust. I think it is clamp on where these two holes are. Let's see if I'm right about that. Different, you gotta put it together, but it works. Now I'm gonna pause you guys for 1 sec. Alright guys, this is how it's done. Voila. Really cool. Oh man, come on, get out of the way, box. Put it right there. Just gotta put those through the hole, through those two holes right there. And you get these. If you got a bigger head, you can always extend it. Just gotta loop it through, like so. And there you go. And just tie it out to this right here so it can extend. You're all set. Now I'm gonna try this thing on. And then, yeah, these fit pretty good. There we go. Got these. Hold on one. There we go. Now we're prepared for battle. So definitely check these guys out. Ultralux, Lux Care. And these shields are great for snowing or rain. If you're out kind of in the grass, it starts to drizzle, put this on. And snowing, it's perfect for it. But now we're in the summertime, so be great for the snow season. There we go. Hold it pretty good. Right there. Alright, YouTubers. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.